My name's Colin Rivett. I'm Commercial Director at CQR Security Limited. We're a small manufacturing business. We've got about 60 employees. Turnover is about £8 million. We make equipment for the security intruder market, such as security cable, bell boxes, door contacts, that type of thing. I'm responsible for all of the IT, and essentially I'm responsible for going from receiving a sales order through to getting the product out of the door. So we started to use Phocas initially to help us analyse our sales data and get a better handle on what was going on in sales, where we were losing sales, where we were getting more sales. We now understand much better the way we sell. Obviously, in itself, it doesn't increase sales, but it tells us what we need to do. The use has expanded dramatically, so we analyse stock now, we look at what purchase orders we're going to place, we've put it out into analysing visits that the salespeople do, and now we've just started, we've had a data logger put onto some of our factory equipment, and we're actually using Phocas to analyse the data that's coming out of the factory. My favourite features of Phocas are, well, I guess it's not exactly a feature, but it's the overall flexibility of the product that, you know, you can slice and dice your sales any way that you want, but you can use it for so many other things as well. So that's one thing. And the other thing, the support that you get whenever we have a problem, the support that we get is just absolutely fantastic. Currently, our biggest challenge is to make enough cable to satisfy demand, and so Phocas is helping us to find ways that we're underutilising our labour or our machinery, so that's how Phocas is helping us right now. And Phocas sits so brilliantly in that middle ground of being easy to use at one level, but you can go as deep as you want into it, and it can do everything that you want. Using Phocas makes me feel like I'm in control of the data within our business.